Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to bring you a delicious chocolate vegan mug cake. This cake is also healthy, but it tastes amazing. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have a lot of delicious ingredients here. So what you're going to need for this delicious recipe is almond flour. You'll need some Earth Echo Cacao Bliss. You'll also need some MCT oil, some sweetener. I'm going to be using organic maple syrup for my sweetener. You'll also need almond milk. You'll need just a little bit of baking soda. And I'm also adding hemp seeds for added protein. So I just want to give a shout out to Earth Echo Foods Cacao Bliss for sponsoring this video. And one of the things that I really love about this Cacao Bliss, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been using this for a long time. It's been over a year now. But I love the fact that they're dairy-free, gluten-free, they're keto-friendly, soy-free, organic, and 100% vegan, so you don't have to worry about that. It also contains no sugar, and it also helps you to curb your cravings, so it leaves you feeling satisfied. Something I like to do with this is have it in a nice chocolate drink before bed if I'm getting the munchies, if I want something sweet. But that's how I kind of use it on a regular basis. Today I'm making this delicious mug cake, and I hope you guys try it. It's so easy and simple to make. I'm going to leave the full ingredient list and recipe, all that good stuff, in the description box below. I know you're going to be excited to try them, so I'll leave all of that information for you down in the description box. But for now, let's get back to making this delicious chocolate vegan mug cake. And make sure you stay till the end because I want you to see how easy this is and how I can pop it into the microwave and make it in 60 seconds. Can you believe that? It's so quick. Ooh, look how that looks. Guys, it smells amazing and it's very moist. The oil definitely helps, the MCT oil helps with the moisture and all of the other wet ingredients that I put into it. But yeah, this cake, it comes out really good. It's perfect serving. If you want to have two servings, I suggest using two mugs because if you try to double it in the same container, it'll take longer to cook and then you run the risk of the top of it being too hard. So you definitely want to portion these out in separate mugs if you're making more than one serving. So yeah, here I'm just adding a little bit more hemp seeds as a topping. You can really top this with whatever you want. I added some vegan vanilla ice cream to this, and I'm also adding some of these crunchy peanut butter candies. Extra sweetness and another texture layer to that. And I'm also going to add a little sprinkle of the cacao bliss. So good. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh, look how delicious that is. Ooh, so chocolatey and delicious. Can you imagine a cake without any gluten? Mmm. And so easy to make. It literally took 2 minutes to make this. So you can have a quick sweet treat that is healthy and yummy. No need to sacrifice your health goals. You can still have something delicious and sweet. Look at that. Great cake consistency, chocolatey taste. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna make it. See you guys in the next video.